Congratulations to Coach Ale Tenorio of Magnolia. Coach, first win of the conference. Before the game, you mentioned how you can shoot and defend. It's just a matter of putting it together, and you did exactly that. Coach, mukhang hinintay ka lang ng players mong sumabay sa ensayo.
Sana hindi na ulit mangyari na kailangan sumabay ako sa practice kasi sakit sa katawan eh. 2 days ako nakahiga sa kama, but again, I just have to give credit to my players, no. Katulad nga ng sinabi ni Ian, sinasabi ko lang sa kanila, they just have to believe, no. They just have to believe na we can battle with this strong teams, top teams, seasoned teams, no. Yun lang ang gusto naming makita, no. But again, a lot of things to still work on, no, especially on the defensive end. Marami pa kaming lapses. Again, but for us, we really need this win, no. Napaka-importante nung panalo na to para sa amin. I hope ito yung inaantay namin na momentum kasi Big 3 yung kalaban namin eh. We play Rain and Shine, and then back-to-back we play Ginebra, diba? So medyo napaka-importante ng laro na to sa amin. And again, credit to my players. They responded really well. They practiced really hard the whole week, no. We watched the videos together, no, kahit medyo boring, no. Naniwala sila, and ginawa nila kung ano yung kailangan namin gawin for this game.